Simon Mwangi Muthiora nĩarĩkĩtie kũrekereria ndeto ciĩgiĩ DJ Fatxo na cousin yake ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ Jeff Mwadhi's death investigation, na akorwo akĩrekereria ndeto ici shortly after DCI gũkorwo makĩrekereria update yao. Na Simon Mwangi Muthiora has shared some more and further details na gũkorwo akiumbũra atĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ DJ Fatxo and his cousins nĩ mauma kũrĩa kwa DCI kũrĩa mauma under investigation. They have been thoroughly investigated and grilled for several hours. Simon Mwangi Muthiora akiuga atĩ this happened today, na oho acoka kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩngĩ yakorwo ĩkĩrekererio nĩ one Facebook user by the name Lucy Kangaru ũrĩa acokete kuumbũra atĩ not only were DJ Fatxo and his cousin investigated today kũrĩa kwa DCI, but also atĩ DJ Fatxo's passport allegedly has been confiscated. Na Simon Mwangi Muthiora has shared this akiuga the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has revealed 4 leads as the investigation into Jeff Mwadhi's murder narrows down. This after grilling DJ Fatxo and other suspects for hours. #Justice for Jeff. Na acoka kuongerera ĩngĩ agĩkiuga atĩ it is about to go down, na niho acoka repost this post here by one Lucy Kangaru Ng'ang'a agĩkiuga atĩ DJ Fatxo, his driver and cousin, spends the second day at DCI headquarters. His passport has been confiscated too. Na ndeto ici ciakorwo ikĩrekererio nĩ Simon Mwangi Muthiora kũrĩa nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria kũrĩa atĩ DJ Fatxo, this was his second day mena cousin yake na driver arĩa othe maikoretwo me persons of interest in Jeff Mwadhi's death investigation, na atĩ this is their second day kũrĩa kwa DCI. Na icio nĩcio ndeto irĩkĩte kumbũka ciĩgiĩ Jeff Mwadhi's death investigation. The latest kũrĩa atĩ DJ Fatxo, his cousin and the driver othe megũkinyĩtie kwa DCI gũkorwo magĩthuthurio, grilled for hours as Simon Mwangi Muthiora says, na that is the latest update. Na nĩ ndeto ciakĩamũkĩrwo wega nĩ Akenya magĩkiuga now there is progress, na this is some good news kũrĩ o. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.